we're gonna make Florentines. So first thing we do is we gotta melt this butter.
Well, there's one melted there if you want to just
all right,
bail
so
on that and go to
everybody pretend we just melted butter.
The magic of television.
And then what we did, so you take that butter and then you're gonna add a bunch of sugar to it. You're gonna add heavy cream to it, minus the sip that I just took. And
honey.
4 tablespoons.
Ish.
You
Squish
get it,
the
right?
honey bear.
Mix it around and boil it and boil it, boil it till it looks like this.
Ta-da!
Okay, there it goes. Okay, that's just everything just boiled together. Everything is nice and incorporated. Now, once this is cooled down, let it cool for about a half an hour. You are gonna add almond flour, blanched sliced almonds, and some orange zest.
Yum, that makes it.
Orange zest. So now you get the stuff nice and mixed, and now it's still gonna be warm, so you want to put it back in the fridge, and then it'll cool out a little bit. Okay, so you take the cookies like this.
And you bake them till
you
they're
bake
like
them
that.
off, and they look like this.
La la.
Okay.
And then drizzle.
Okay, so then what you're gonna do? Make a cone. Everybody make a paper cone, and then fill with chocolate.
Chocolate.
Now, buddy.
It's filled with antioxidants, and almonds are really good for you too.
That's it.
This is really like eating a vitamin.
Free.
And it's also gluten-free.
It's like and it's gluten-free.
And they're gluten-free.
Because of all the almonds, the ground up nuts. So really, it's like a vitamin.
Yeah.
Now, buddy, correct me if I'm wrong, but don't they don't they fill Florentines?
They do.
Like-
They fill them.
If you get them in the Pepperidge Farm sack, they got the chocolate in between the two of them.
They use the chocolate and then they kind of make
The
sandwiches.
sandwiches out of it.
All right.
Florentine lace cookies. They look so good. That looks awesome.